Hello everybody. So today I'm just gonna show you the redemption code for this AWZ screen recorder for 1 year. So you have to create an account for this if you want to store the key. So basically this is gonna be activated with this code, this yearly plan, $59. So let's get on our after you log in with your email and password. What you need to do is come over here, right, screen recorder, then let's paste this and let's submit it. So it was successfully added. So if we just do this and let's see, so we have this one PC is so we have activated this successfully. Thank you guys.